Hey, hello. Hello. Well, hello, you. Hi. Oh, they were all moving around, of course. By the time I get my camera, they decide they're going to huddle. Oh, Lordy. This is the stage where they're not very good on their feet. They're just starting to get around. Hello. Hello. What? What? What'd you say? What'd you say? Huh? Okay. They're going to bundle up. Lola's out right now. She will be back in a minute. So I thought I'd take this time to try to take a little video. Well, hello. Hello, hello, hello. You weeble wobbles. See, we just weeble wobbles. And the black blobs over there. Oh, well. Oh, I better get Mom to come back in. Bye.